they go through about 2 years worth of fuel. Yeah, maybe they'll be open to it. I suppose it's one of the train jobs.
You just explain it, you put them together and you explain
Yeah,
it.
I can put
out of the station
I basically,
and then got stopped by another red light.
I basically put a voice. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing they were basically running some trains, but it's going to be a bit of a trial run with strength, or should we slow speed today? We're going to do slow speed. See how slow most of the locomotives I have got in my collection at this moment in time, and see how slow they can actually go. I do need to get a new tripod, I still haven't done it. But if you're familiar with my YouTube page or my YouTube channel, things I do on the main line and the reserve lines, the railway lines, or the heritage lines, you'll probably know the content quite well. You guys have a great day. Well, let's get started, shall we, with the slow speed test. We're going to test all of them today. HST, the steam trains, the Class 25, the 06, all the steam engines, all the diesels, and the electrics. Now, it doesn't really matter if they're connected up completely, but they can run on their own. It might be a bit odd, but we're going to start with the diesels, I think, and then we can work our way through steams after. And then the first thing we're going to test is one of my older trains. It's my Class 57 GWR something Castle Class 57 by Batman. I'm going to get it slow speed. See how slow they can all go. This is the test for them today, is to see how slow they can go on very little voltage. If they have to use like those shunting up to loads of freight or loads of passenger train to go out from Bobbin Parkway down to Penzance or up to London and then back down again. They start from the station very slowly and then they gradually build the speed up. But today it's just testing how slow they can go. We'll do high speed performance test probably tomorrow, and then it will be just normal run session on Friday. But obviously I'm not going to let it go too insanely fast, because obviously we won't have things that fall off. You're not having that happen on this way. Even on my dream that I would not let trains go any faster than a certain speed. If it comes to 57, you can go slower, but I think you have to do a real clean up before I do things properly. It's basically just giving an idea of how slow they can go on very little voltage. That one. That's quite impressive. At low speed, for 57, it's going less than 2 miles an hour. Shunting speed. That's what they were doing on third lines, of course. They sort of shunt backwards before they basically push half the coach back into the buffers to make sure everything is blocked up in place. Before then take them away down towards Bobbin Parkway and the other line. I can't remember anymore. For some reason that one always escapes my mind what it's called. We're getting all the diesels out at the moment. And then we'll get the HST out. No, there's quite a few diesels to go through. So I've got three out. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then those 2, 3. There you go. It's so the voltage is so low and the lights haven't come on. That's alright, I don't mind that because it means you're testing the low speed, so it wouldn't really matter if the lights not really coming on at that slow. They usually come on at half power. Yeah, I did film at this guard station yesterday, but there was no trains running particularly. There was the odd one coming through, but wasn't many. Okay, we're only doing it a certain section of the layout today. We're only doing it through points and the third radius curves, which I got on this test track I've got set up. So it is buzzing very slightly, but it is very slightly moving. It's quite impressive for a locomotive like this. Okay, he's going slow, but probably a little too slow for the model to cope with. Bigger trains take more power, so we're going a little bit more zone for faster speed, but you want to go too fast. Towards the end of this video, and the second or third part of the video this morning, I'll probably do it to 10:30 this time. What I often do. Anything about in the shop. And we'll try that again with a different train. Let's see how the halogen class 33 is, and the trail blue and yellow. We also did blue and grey, and we also did blue and red, I think. Not as many, but they did do some of them. And then because I've been to County Quarry not that long ago, quite a few of them. Let's see how well the halogen 33 does. Bear in mind I haven't got another 33, this is the only model I've got by them at the moment. I probably will get another one, probably coal sector livery I think next, but right now I'm on sticking with the blue and yellow one. The trail. Locomotive, give it a bit more power. There we go, that's alright. Got over those points reasonably well. You can tell that the 33 is more designed to go a little bit faster, but the lights will come on if you go a little bit faster too. So the first half of the video, it's only a test today to see how well it's going. Basically it goes up towards the camera, but it won't run a continual loop for now. It will be goes up towards the camera and then back again. But the rest of the time will be just in the normal running session with some carriages or freight or something today. The rest of the film and other videos. Just to show you how slow they can go. See the halogen can go nice and slow and fast. Stopped. A little too slow I guess. A little bit, quite more speedy at the top end, but not so great at the bottom end. Here it comes. Maybe I can get a little bit more power. Not doing too much. There we go. That's more like it. Pretty slow, even though around third radius. Pretty good. I also have to point out the halogen 58 is the only model version I've got at the moment. So I do want to collect a few other diesels I haven't got for a long time, like the 56, class 66 blade Batman. There's quite a few of them, but so we've done those three now. Let's go for the shunter next. And we have got HST to deal with, but that will be a see how slow she can go. I mean, bear in mind this particular shunter is very old. Had her for the first part 8 years now. She's been done a lot of mileage. She's done quite a lot of shunting. She's done a lot of forming coaches, 3 or 4 coaches at the time. But she is quite old. I have cleaned serviced her not that long ago. But she is more a toy. Just the way she looks, she is more like a toy thing for beginners. But I had her since I got back in the hobby a few years ago now. And I brought some ideas to my mind, and it's not bad for something that's nearly the best part of 9 years old now. It's doing fairly well. Next up, the Class 47 by Batman, not perfect condition one. It's the only example I got of it at the moment. But she's worth some tests, and if not, because the motor works, the lights work still on there, and the material lights work. Again, why I can't really get a way to get it fixed, but I had her for the past 7 years, so she's doing well for her age, and she's only a little bit scattery across the points at low speed. But this is a present model by Batman for diesels. They are really good. They've got interior lights, they've got directional lights, tail lights, interior lighting on the inside of the driving unit, and they've got spun bumpers. And sometimes they do have rotating fans. Not all Batman models do, but I think Hornby are more known for that in the past time, but the recent ones they don't do that. With Hornby stuff you will have to run back probably to like 2006, maybe 2004 era to find those. But it probably wouldn't be too difficult to make the fan spin on the Batman models. We just have to get a ratchet fan that will fall around with the flywheel and get those fans working. So it's something I might look into doing some of my models, especially with the 57s. That'd be quite cool. Yeah. And this Class 25, I'm going to put it at low speed, so I mean it actually is. See how slow. Just make her move. She's coming really slow towards the camera. I'll get the power car out. It might be just be easier if I can just get the power car out, because otherwise it'll just be a nightmare to deal with the rest of the characters in the train car. But the train car and the power car are supposed to be attached, because in real life they would have each unit was powered. But in the model form at the moment they are, one's powered and one's not. Where's the goal? I'm fresh with the 25, I have to give it that. Nice and slow. Nice and steady. The way it sort of bounces over the track, it's like the cricket kind of sound over the rails. Pretty impressive. Now the next up we got the HST, one of my really passionate diesel trains, doing long on one side of 47s. It'll go from probably from the HSTs to Class 47s. Those are my 2 passionate diesel trains. Probably